Hello guys, welcome back to my channel PhysicsPhyco. In this video I am going to discuss about math questions of the model questions of B.Sc Physics and Biology released by TU. Let's go. Our first questions is first question of math and 26 questions of all the model question. If you haven't watched that chemistry model question solution, go back to my channel and watch that video. You can also watch that video. I will edit to the description or at the iCard. Let's go with this question. So 26. For any two sets A and B, A minus B union B minus A is equal to, its correct answer is option C, A union B minus A intersection B. The interval satisfying this equation is the equation which is satisfying is option C. The correct answer is option C, because when we put this values here, the correct answer will be this. Question number 28. The value of log 3, 4, log 4, 5, log and so on. Its correct answer is answer option B. We can use the property of log A B into log B into C is equal to log AC. We can use that property and solve this question. Which of the following is correct? Incorrect. The correct answer is option C, because the value of sec theta is not is equal to 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 value does not exist in case of sec theta. The value of limit x tends to 0 sine 3x by tan 4x, its correct answer is option A, 3 by 4. Limit x tends to 0 sine x degree by x is equal to, this is option D. First we need to convert this degree into radian and then only use the property of limit to solve this question. Derivative of log modulus x is equal to, its correct answer is option C. 33. 20 is divided into two parts so that the product of cube of one quantity and square of other quantity is maximum. यसले चाहिँ के भनेछ भने 20 लाई चाहिँ यसरी डिभाइड गर्नुहोस् जसको चाहिँ प्रोडक्ट अफ क्यूब र एउटालाई चाहिँ क्यूब गरेर अनि अर्कोलाई चाहिँ स्क्वायर गरेर त्यो दुईटालाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम हुन्छ भनेछ. यो क्वेशन चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम र मिनिममको हो. इट्स करेक्ट एन्सर इज अप्सन डी. Integration of tan inverse 1 x half x tan inverse x by 1 plus x square 1 plus x square, यो भनेको चाहिँ यसको करेक्ट एन्सर चाहिँ अप्सन सी हो. By using this we can find its answer is 1. If I is the imaginary unit, the value of I to be power 4n plus 3 is its correct answer is option A, because its correct option is its correct answer is option A. By using the property of I to be power 4n is equal to 1, but I to be power 3, 4n plus 3 is minus I. Determine the value of k if we can use factor theorem to solve this, and its answer is 17 by 12. The determinant of its correct answer is D, because when we add all these rows or column, we got the by the property of complex number, we can find its answer to be D. The equation of a circle with the radius 5 and touching both the coordinate axis is, its correct answer is option C. The sum of the first 10 odd number is, the sum of first 10 odd number, it is the question of sequence and series. Its correct answer is option A. We can also solve this answer questions by manually. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and continue until it got to total of 10 number. How many permutation are there in word madam? Its correct answer is 30. there are 1 2 3 4 5 digit 5 factorial by 2 factorial times 2 factorial. By using that formula we can solve its answer. How many terms are there in the expansion of it's the question of trinomial polynomial theorem, and its correct answer is 28. Its formula is yon plus 1 into yon plus 2 by 2, where yon is 6. By using that formula we can find its answer to be 28. Question number 43. For what value of k the point k1 2 1 and 4 5 lie on a line? We can use the slope. We can find slope of all and calculate the value of k to be 2. Question number 44. The polar coordinate of the point x is equal to root 3, y is equal to 1 is, we can convert any geometrical point into polar point by we can calculate its modulus r is equal to root under x square plus y square, and its theta to be tan theta is equal to y by x. By using that we can find its answer to be 2 and pi by 6. The angle between lines between two line is was founded to be 90 degree, and the and 90 degree is equivalent to 450 degrees, so the correct answer is 450 degree. The length of tangent to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus this equation, from this we can use the calculate this the length of tangent. The focus of parabola, we can calculate the focus of by using its by comparing it with the standard equations. The question number 48. The angle between the tangents at the end of the lattice rectum is, the correct answer is 90 degree, which is equal to pi by 2. It is always tangent is always perpendicular to the point, whether it is lattice rectum or not. What does the equation y is equal to 0 g is equal to 0 represent? In a coordinate axis we have x axis, y axis and z axis. If y axis and z axis are 0, then the obvious coordinate will be x axis. If theta is the angle between two unit vector a vector and b vector, then the sine theta is equal to, its correct answer is a cross b. A cross b is modulus. With that being said, thanks for watching my video till end. You can check out my chemistry question solving video as well, and please stay tuned, watch like this video and comment down for the other subject video as well. I will try to make new video on the physics or English, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.